Hi, I'm Sindhuja, your science teacher at BARANI International School. Today I am going to do one science experiment. Draw and color a picture on paper and place in the transparent sheet. Trace over the outline. Place the transparent sheet in water.
Watch the picture disappear.
What happened? Yes, of course, it's a science.
Refraction occurred here.
Refraction. Refraction occurs when the light travels from one medium to another, which changes the speed at which the light travels. This causes the light to bend upon